In earlier brief demonstrations of RoboHelp 10, we've taken a look at how you can actually use the view function to view the current topic. For instance, right now I'm looking at selecting portfolio elements. If I click on the eyeglasses, I get a quick look at the topic. One thing that you may not have noticed is there's a choice here for condition build tag expression, and this will actually let you use different versions of the topic based on whether you choose to show conditions or not. Here we have three conditions available down here: large screen, phone, and tablet. First of all, let's see which conditions are currently in use. We can do this by going to the View menu, and once we go to the View menu, we can decide that we would, once we're here, we can decide that we would like to view and show conditional areas. This is normally turned on as a default. Once you do this, you'll see kind of hash lines running through any areas that have conditions applied to them. And if I click my cursor in here, you'll see a little pop-up menu says Condition Large Screen. If I go down to another area, for instance here where it's black, it's saying it's large screen and tablet. That means that two conditions are applied to it. And what I'm going to do is to actually create a new portion of text that has no conditions applied to it. You'll notice that when I first type this text in, and I'll say this text should be in all versions, it clearly is conditional because hitting the return key, it picked up the condition that was previously applied called large screen. I can actually remove that condition by simply using my right mouse button, and here where it says apply condition tag, I'm going to turn off large screen. I'd like this text to be obvious, so I'm going to make this text bold and italic, and I'm also going to change the background color to yellow. And this way it'll be quite difficult to not see that. Now, if we were to simply take a look at the preview by itself, we see all of the text appearing, and we can see that new text that I added with the yellow background. Notice up here that under conditional tag build expression, we can actually choose a particular version. So what I'd like to do is to see what my content will look like if I don't show large screen and I don't show tablet. And as I do that, you'll see that quite a bit of the text disappears in order to make this fit a particular screen, perhaps a mobile device. But notice that this text I created, which says this text should be in all versions, is showing regardless of the version I choose, because it does not have a condition build tag applied to it. This is one more way that RoboHelp gives you a quick and easy tool to pre-flight your project before you publish the full version. So in this case, we're making sure that we have the correct information showing based on our condition build tags before we publish the project. This concludes our demonstration.